In this video, I'll show you how to use emojis on Notion. The first way to do this is to type slash emoji, and that will actually become a command. And then here you can select any emoji that you like. There's also another way to use emojis on Notion. You can just use the way, if you have Windows, then you can just select the Windows icon and then semicolon, and it will take you to the Windows emojis. So here you can just choose a window emoji, and when you use it, it will actually be pasted onto Notion. There's also another way, and that is to go to an emoji site. For example, get emoji, and then here you can just select any of the emojis you like, and then just Control C and then Control V. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.